Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
This looks spectacular already. I ain't gonna cap.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have shrimp po' boy.
Oh, I was gonna say the wrong thing, you know?
Shrimp po' girl.
Yes, I don't do po' boy, I do shrimp portionese. Family, I never ever in my life ate this before.
Neither have I.
Well,
but when we went to Georgia, we saw this a lot on the menu. And I was like, how hard can it be?
exactly.
So I just made it.
Our way, how we like it.
How we like it.
Yeah.
Now I do have some ramalai sauce.
I don't know what you
If I'm saying it wrong, I think it is. I think that's what it's called. So we're going to dig in. We have shrimp, we have lettuce, tomato, we have cheese. Yes, I added cheese to it.
Yes, you know how we love our cheese.
Yes. Yep. Okay. Like Richie said, we did it our way. And then we have some fries on the side, and we're gonna dig in.
Okay.
Get my shrimp on the yourself.
All right, family. Look at this massive.
Ooh.
I'm gonna eat and then drop off for my thing in the camera. Look at this. First, put your hand here real quick. You can see. Take a bite with me.
That looks so good.
Oh, you see that shrimp dropping out already? I'm trying to be sneaky over there. Sneaky little ones. Okay. Let me taste it for y'all first before I put my dressing.
Oh my god. I found this sauce off of the internet. I've never had that before either. But
okay. Hold on. That first bite.
it's a lot of shrimps in there.
Don't worry about my shrimp.
It's about drop up my nose.
Don't worry about the shrimp. Oh, I got my 1,000 dressing. I want that sauce on it. Hey,
Yeah,
sandwich.
whatever.
What you look like you want to overflap like that? Open up so wide.
Look
like a
at
little
that.
freaky sandwich.
Oh my gosh.
Like a freaky sandwich, Mayo. Put my sauce on it. It's a big. You ain't gonna eat up all of that. I'm gonna help you. I know you're not gonna eat up all of that. Let me get a little bit of the fork, please. See? See? Somebody wanted it. Who wanted it out there?
Oh, the cheese is good on it.
Yeah. It's the sauce for us. Alright, family. Here. Let me squeeze it down tight for y'all.
Yeah.
Because y'all little mouth is small. Y'all not greedy like me. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna take a big bite. There you go. There you go. I hold it. Okay, I wait for the next one to come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squeeze it in.
Side. Okay, good. Good enough.
Yeah, man.
I never. Family. Never had this before.
What? We've been missing out. Why you guys ain't tell us?
This is so good.
So good. I should make a jerk one, innit? Jerk shrimp po' boy.
I was waiting for this goodness.
It is good. It is good.
Good is not the word.
Good. It's messy. But in a good way.
That sandwich period.
Yeah, any sandwich you eat is gonna be messy. So nothing you can do about it.
Squeeze them in.
Squeeze it. What? Yeah. From the other day.
Watch my talk.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but from the other day, y'all going bad.
Here, family. Here. The sauce, get some of that sauce over there.
Oh my gosh.
Thumbs up. Juice almost done. Might make some more. I'm gonna say the rest for you, cause I know you want more.
Chick-fil-A sauce on. Anything is so good. I don't know what they have in this sauce, but I believe it's crack. Because it's addictive.
Thank you.
Marijuana? Something is in this sauce.
Sweet on the shrimp since it dropped out. Zoom up. Get something personal for you. There you go. Take one. Good.
Wow.
I'm getting everything one.
I see.
So you know when I start, she already done it. Don't forget, the link is in the description for the greedy couple parties. Holla. If you don't feel like clicking there, www.thegreedycouplesparty.com. Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Okay? Appreciate y'all.
My gosh.
Wow.
How you guys eat this sandwich? I'm squeezing it for dear life.
It's pretty tight.
You gotta squeeze it tight and keep it tight, right?
Yo, family.
Compromising.
It's good. It's good. I like it. It's delicious.
When you're doing seafood, like shrimp, lobster, crab, sometimes you can over season it and you don't get to taste the freshness of the seafood. All you taste is just a whip of seasoning. You know, we love seasoning, but when it comes to seafood, want some sauce? I season it a little lighter. Just a little.
Yeah.
Watch it. What's some shrimp drop out of it? Shrimp, you're rude, man.
Shrimp I run. But family, for my first time tasting this is good. Tell me, what's the only problem I have with the bread?
It's not tough.
Not tough. Cut up my gums.
Oh my god.
The bread was fresh. Can we talk about fresh bread?
Yeah, it was fresh bread from Publix. You need to get baby bread. Because you don't need to be, for a person who have teeth like a dinosaur. Your teeth them tough. You want to buy some gums?
No, mama, come on. I'm not the only one that like when they eat a bread, it cut their gum too. You don't cut your gum? Cut my gum, man.
Well, I don't open my mouth so wide. Maybe that's why. I just use my front teeth. My two front teeth.
Damn. I told first lady I wanted 2 of these. 3.
3 sandwiches.
I thought it was a little bread. Hell no. What I was thinking.
I said to him, you're greedy, but if you sit there and eat all of that,
I can't do that.
that's too much.
I didn't know it was gonna be this bread.
Yeah.
One is perfect.
One.
One is good. No cap. So what's new with y'all? Yo, what's new with y'all, family? Damn, look at this, all this shrimp, bro. Same? Okay. Thank you for telling. Appreciate that. Just another day greedy couple, okay. That's fine. Same here too. Another day. Giving some of y'all this awesomeness. No? You know how it is already.
You guys have to make this.
If you haven't tried this, probably already tried it already. We be late to stuff. But
you say no, we stuck on our Jamaican food.
yeah, but if you never tried this, go do it. And if you did, leave a comment down.
And make it yourself. It's so easy.
Yeah, leave a comment down and let us know if you did. You know what I'm saying?
And in your area, which one has who has the best po' boy?
Yeah.
AKA po Shanice.
Why they call it po' boy?
I don't know.
Kind of like pork. Why didn't they say ship boy?
Well, you know they have a lobster po' boy. You can make a lobster one.
Okay.
Yep.
This is good though. Shrimp is perfect. Yeah.
It's really good.
Look at this. I gotta come help you with your sandwich soon.
Listen, stop watching my sandwich, man. It's so annoying. Oh.
Family, all what's going on, I'm eating my sandwich, but I watch your sandwich, you know.
From the time the video starts. My God. Low me, man. Low me.
Family. From first day they was cooking the food, I've been tasting. Huh?
And still come here and brush off food.
Family, look at me. Get up, my man. I'm putting on muscle, you see that? Getting brolic, son. I'm getting muscles, family. Look at them.
I hope we're not going through a midlife crisis, you know, because I'm not with it. Bro, muscles.
It's about putting on muscles. A little muscle won't hurt.
These fries are good.
Guess what?
You bit your tongue again?
The same part.
You bit your lip again?
Same part. Same part.
You talk too much. What's the problem? You just eat your food.
I talk a lot for real. If I don't talk, the family gonna say, why I don't talk? And when I do talk a lot, they say, one thing with them. We got good family members over here. They don't say we talk a lot. They like when we talk.
Not to your face.
No, they like when we talk. They don't want us to come eat and just eat. It's no fun. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, it's impossible. It's impossible. I mean, we already talked about that already. For us to come here and don't talk, it's impossible.
Very. Very, very. Wow. Yes, you know I don't like it, but I'm drinking it. I don't care what you want to tell me.
Everything is so good.
Yeah, this is good though. I ain't gonna lie. You did good on this.
I'm very...
It's a regular. Yeah, it's not like... Everything first day to make taste good. When she said she'll make po' boy. Okay?
Po' boy.
Yeah. I said, what? She said make a shrimp thing. Shrimp thing. I said, okay, no problem. From the time she was in that kitchen, I'm teething our food.
And it went pretty quick too, you know. I made the shrimp on the stove.
Yo, this tastes good for real? Nah, like my youth.
Wait.
Nah, like true opinion. This is my review on First Lady po' boy. No man, poor Richie. First Lady poor Richie, no po' boy. This is good.
Yeah, so.
Family, leave my First Lady alone. Say about Richie. Why don't you take your time, because you dear eating off your food before First Lady. You're done 2 sandwiches and First Lady still on 1. Don't say that about her. I don't want you to say that about her, because I know y'all say that. But look at First Lady, make Richie come done 2 sandwiches before him. Don't do that, okay? And First Lady take her time to eat. You know what I'm saying? I know that's what they're hearing. But man, poor Richie don't play. Yeah. Look at First Lady, 1 sandwich still struggling. And we be 60 minutes, it's almost 17 minutes. So they say, they're going to rebound and say, I said, what you call it and change. I said, damn, first lady still eating.
That's alright.
It's alright, family. First lady eats slow, she has small mouth. First lady just take her time. First lady just take her time and chill. And eat her food and chew her food. First lady say, I don't chew my food. If I don't chew my food, I'll go down. I caught them to you. That's what they be saying.
That's what they be saying? I know you guys be
But not
talking
in the
about
bad
me.
way. Not in the bad way.
They be talking about me? Let me say that.
They don't talk about it. But they don't say it in the bad way. They say, man.
Is that eat too slow?
Yeah, poor first lady eat so slow. Poor first lady eat so slow. Richie have a right to take her food. But they say no. It's true. But it's alright. First lady eat. I don't rush my first lady. Now I rush your Mayu. Take your time, eat your food in Mayu. No, in a race. We're not racing. This can't be your first time making this.
My first time.
Wow. It's good. Not over seasoned as the first day said you can't put the, you know what I'm saying? Right. I rate it.
But.
Out of 1 to a 10, give it a 10.
Yeah? You're just saying that.
No, it's nice, man. Nice. Nice one.
When we go to a restaurant, wow, Lord Jesus, I be telling the wait staff, bring my food first and wait 10 minutes and then bring his, because I cannot. Okay, so Richie just brush his food down, and he just sitting there staring at me. And I enjoy my food.
She take her time and enjoy every bit of food.
Every bit.
Lie. Every bit of food. She don't like. You do better, man.
What me ever do better?
I know what too strong yourself. Robin, she gotta do better than that though.
No, I don't.
I ate up 2 sandwiches before her. Look at me. You saw my sandwich, right?
I was hungry. Okay.
You were hungry?
Yes.
So why you not? You hear that? You said you was hungry. Alright, you was hungry, but why you not doing? My gosh.
Because I still take, even though I'm hungry.
Let me measure your mouth. Your mouth small. See? See? This is your mouth. This is her mouth right here.
You know,
I'll be.
I take my time though.
Yeah, you take it out. That's what you're supposed to take. Eat your
my
food.
last bite.
I take my time, but it's just the way I eat. I don't rush my food like I'm in the race. I take my time, but it's just the way my belly is different from yours. I got a faster metabolism.
What does that have to do with your mouth?
My mouth will faster than yours. This was good though. I ain't gonna care.
Good.
I'm not gonna lie. This was good.
I wasn't gonna make all this fries, you know. My daughter, oh, make some more, mommy. I love fries. Look, all this fries.
That little girl. That little girl could make a mukbang channel by herself.
But she wouldn't even talk. She'd just sit there.
Yeah,
you know what she would do? Have her iPods in.
And just eat.
AirPods in. And we watching her show while she's eating. And y'all sitting there watching her. That's what she would do. Because she's like, I'm not going to be talking.
Family. This was good, as I said before. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna lie. I enjoyed it. First day, the first time. Tastes good like she's been making it. But
first time making it, tasting it, it was good.
I never knew nothing about this thing. What do you call it? I thought it was pork.
I always see it at restaurants, and I'm like, I don't want that.
Really?
But it's good. It's delicious.
If you never tried it, go try it. Y'all probably did it already, because y'all tried everything already. So let us know how y'all liked it. If y'all made it by yourself or y'all tried at a restaurant, you know? And that's that. So, you finished, First Lady? I'm gonna give y'all good people the word of wisdom. My gum done cut up your freak. Okay.
It was good.
It was good. Family, First Lady. Don't bring up the past of a person who is trying to improve their future. You like that one? Okay. Yeah, listen carefully.
I had to
Because
learn that.
sometime, when I say it, yeah, I miss out, and then, you know what I'm saying, you gotta run and come back. Because you look for the, you know what I mean? Because you know what time is coming. I'm gonna switch up on y'all. But listen, don't bring up the past of a person who's trying to improve their future. If you can relate, relate. You know?
And if they're not trying to improve their future, bring it up. Oh.
Yeah, you see? I love to know because she have shit full of chat, you know.
Blood chat, yes.
I am Richie, aka Chatty Pastor sometime, aka First Lady, aka Shanice. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all for rocking with us when this channel we talk about anything and just chill and just vibe. Positive vibe over here, okay? They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.